I'm sure you all love to drink soft drinks. So have you ever wondered what is there in the soft drink? Have you ever wondered what it contains? So a soft drink is a drink that usually contains carbonated water. So there is carbon inside. So what else do we know that has carbon? Yes, in our previous experiment, I showed you carbon dioxide, right? So now we are going to see what is there in the soft drinks. So are you ready? For this experiment, you will need any soft drink. So here I am using Coke. Shall we begin? So you might need to place a plate or a bowl underneath for this experiment. So if you look at this bottle of Coke, it is not filled up to the brim. So there is some space there. So have you ever wondered why? That is for the pressure, because soft drinks have carbonated water in them. This carbonated water is under high pressure. So under high pressure it is packed and sealed. So shall we see what happens when we shake this bottle up? So now I am going to shake it up. So can you see the build-up of bubbles here? So now I am going to shake it up and open it. You all obviously know what's going to happen. So let us see. So did you see what happened? Like I told you, it is packed under high pressure. So when I opened the bottle, there was a difference in pressure. It coming from high pressure environment to the atmospheric pressure. So because of this pressure change, it causes these gas molecules to come out like a foam. So now you know the reason why our soft drinks give that fizzing sound when we open it. So did you enjoy this experiment? This is something you can try at home.